Jai Hind, dear students. I welcome you all in my geography class. In today's class, we will starting our new chapter that is globe, latitudes and longitudes. So, in this chapter, we have to study about the globe. Then we have to study what are latitudes and what are longitudes and what is their importance. So, one by one, we will be discussing all. In our previous chapter, we have studied that the structure of the earth, the shape of the earth is like a geoid, means it is flattened on the top and at the center it is bulged. So, this is the structure of the earth. Now, what is a globe? Globe is a miniature true model of earth. It is a miniature means small. Small true model of the earth. Why it is a true model? Because it is same as the earth. And what else you can see on the globe? On the globe, you can see the oceans, you can see the countries and continents, and you can see the islands also. And these globes they come in various size. Some globes are very small, some are very big, and some globes are like balloon shape also, means they can be inflated and they are handy to carry. And this globe it is not fixed also, it can rotate also as the earth is rotating. As the earth it is rotating from west to east, the earth is rotating from west direction to east direction. And what is the rotation speed of the earth? The rotation speed of the earth is 1675 kilometers per hour. So, with such a huge speed, the earth is rotating. Now, next we will be discussing about the latitudes. What are latitudes? For example, this is the earth and this one is the equator. So, what is a equator? Equator is an latitude. It is a imaginary line which is in a circular shape. Okay, and here you will find many imaginary lines are there. All these imaginary lines they are known as latitudes. So, what are latitudes? Latitudes are imaginary line which are parallel to each other, and the largest latitude is the equator, which is also denoted as 0 degree. And from here, this side, you will find 1 to up to 90 degree, and here also you will find up to 90 degree. So in the north side you will find 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree latitudes, 4 degree, like this you will find this 90 parallel imaginary lines are there, and same in the south direction also. Let's see again and study what are parallels of latitudes. When you see this is the equator, it is also known as 0 degree latitudes, and here you can see all these latitudes are there, and this side also you will find the latitudes. So, what are parallels of latitudes? Parallels of latitudes are those imaginary lines which are parallel to the equator. And the latitudes which are in the north side, they are known as north latitudes, and which are in the south, they are known as south latitudes. Now let's discuss about the important parallels of latitudes. As we know that this is the equator, and here many latitudes are there. Okay, 90 latitudes are this side, 90 latitudes this, and one this one, means total number of latitudes we have 181 latitudes are there. But all the latitudes we don't have to study. We have to study about the important parallels of latitudes. So what are the important parallel of latitude? First, this one is the equator. Then 23.5 degree north is the tropic of Cancer. Then 66.5, it is the Arctic Circle, and same in the southern hemisphere, tropic of Capricorn is there, Antarctic Circle is there. So these are the important parallels of latitudes. Okay, so again we will revise that. What are the important parallel of latitudes? They are equator, tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, tropic of Capricorn, and Antarctic Circle. So these are the important parallels of latitudes. So dear students, in today's class we have studied about the globe, and we have studied about the latitudes. In our upcoming classes we will be discussing the remaining points. Till then, take care. Thank you and Jai Hind.